Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your sexual performance to a whole new level? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you about something incredible that's been a game changer for men all around the world: Jamaican Stone. This little-known secret has been transforming lives and relationships. If you're looking to boost your stamina naturally and enjoy longer-lasting intimate moments, then stick around. We're diving deep into how Jamaican Stone can make a difference in your life. So what exactly is Jamaican Stone? You might be curious about its origins and how it works. It's an all-natural product that's been used for generations to enhance pleasure and boost confidence. Passed down through the ages, it's a testament to the power of traditional remedies. This powerful stone has been trusted by men for its ability to increase stamina, ensuring satisfaction for both you and your partner. Imagine the confidence you'll gain knowing you can perform at your best. Now, you might be wondering, how does it work? What makes Jamaican Stone so effective? Jamaican Stone works by improving blood flow and sensitivity, which helps you last longer during those special moments. Enhanced blood flow means better performance and more intense sensations. It's a natural aphrodisiac and performance enhancer, without any of the side effects that come with synthetic products. You get all the benefits without the risks. One of the best things about Jamaican Stone is how easy it is to use. No complicated procedures or expensive treatments. Simply dissolve a small piece in water and apply it topically. That's it. It's straightforward and convenient. You'll start to feel the effects in no time. The results are quick and noticeable, making it a reliable choice. Remember, a little goes a long way, so make sure to follow the instructions to get the best results. Proper usage ensures maximum effectiveness. Why should you trust Jamaican Stone? What sets it apart from other products on the market? Because it's been used for generations and is trusted by men who want to improve their sexual health naturally. Its long history of success speaks volumes. Whether you're looking to elevate your experience or maintain peak performance, Jamaican Stone offers a safe and effective solution. It's about enhancing your life and relationships. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing you can satisfy your partner and enjoy those intimate moments to the fullest. It's a game changer for your love life. It's not just about performance, it's about connection, pleasure, and confidence. Strengthening your bond with your partner. If you're ready to experience the difference, head over to JamaicanBlackstone.com to get your Jamaican Stone today. It's easy to order and start your journey to better performance. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Countless men have already experienced the benefits. So guys, take control of your sexual health and boost your stamina naturally with Jamaican Stone. It's time to invest in yourself and your relationship. Your key to lasting pleasure is just a click away. Don't wait any longer to improve your intimate moments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting content.